today's music lessons, we are looking at dynamics. Dynamics is how you would interpret music, like how you make it more musical. You could sing, Jesus loves me, this I know. Or you could sing, Jesus loves me, this I know. Or, there's different things that you could do. So we're going to turn to 471 and we're going to play with interpretation. So now 471, grant us your peace. Now dynamics, there are three of them. There is volume, which can either be soft or loud. There is pitch, which can either be low or high. And there is speed, which can either be slow or fast. Right? So that's how that works. I'm going to have us go soft to loud to soft again. So it'll look like this. Ready, go. Different vowel E. Ready, go. E. Now loud to soft to loud. Ready, same on E. Ready, go. E. Same with ah. Now there's something called, it's an Italian word, it's called sforzando. What happens is that when you're going from soft to loud, it's called a crescendo. When you're going loud to soft, it's called a decrescendo. So, when I say crescendo, we're going to go from soft to loud. So, we're going to crescendo on the vowel A. A. Ready? Go. A. All right, and we're going to decrescendo with that same vowel. Ready? Go. A. All right. So now we're going to try something called sforzando. What sforzando does is that you punch it and then you back away immediately. So you punch it. So it's going to sound like this. I'll do it with A. So what happens, the way that you do that, so remember when we were talking about breath? So you can make the breath build up over here, so cough very lightly over here. Now imagine you're holding your breath for a little bit more. So the way you make yourself cough is by building up a lot of air pressure, and when you release, it gives more force. I'll do ah. Ah. So as soon as you release it, then you back away like you're shy. Like, oh, didn't know my own strength there. So it'll go like, ah. So we want to try it? Okay, ready, go. Ah. Let's do that again. Ready, go. Ah. All right, let's do it with E. Ready, go. E. Alright, so that is volume for you. To go from soft to loud, E is crescendo. So decrescendo is the opposite, to go from loud to soft. E. And sforzando is when you punch it loud, but then you run away. Like when you're ringing a doorbell and then you run away like a prank. And then you slowly make your way to loud again. So, E. So that's how that would sound. I'm going to choose a different note to do that with for future dynamic demonstrations. But next is pitch. Now pitch is deals with whether a note is low or high. one warm-up that we already have for pitch is so we're going low to high, back to low again. So let's try that. Ready, go. Let's try that with ah. Ah. I'm gonna change the note. Oh, ready, go. Oh. Ooh. Ooh. Eh. Nice. We'll start on this note. Ready, go. Ah, go. Ah, go. Oh, go. Oh, ooh, go. Ooh. So that was us going low to high to low again. So that's what that was for pitch. Now for speed. Speed or tempo deals with whether something is slow or whether something is fast. So we can actually demonstrate that with the song itself. So for the ladies, sopranos here, your part is, we'll do regular tempo. Yes, it's hymn 471, I'm sorry. So, yes. We're going to do regular tempo. Ready, go. Dona Nobis Pacem, Dona Nobis Pacem. Again. Dona Nobis Pacem, Dona Nobis Pacem. Nice. Now we're going to do that slower. 1, 2, 3, ready, and go. Dona Nobis Pacem, Dona Nobis Pacem. Again. Dona Nobis Pacem, Dona Nobis Pacem. Now we're going to do it fast. Ready, go. Dona Nobis Pacem, Dona Nobis Pacem. Again. Dona Nobis Pacem, Dona Nobis Pacem. All right, so that's it in terms of dynamics. Now we're going to take that phrase, since we only have sopranos here for this rehearsal, we are going to work with the dynamics for this song. Now we could start off soft, right? We could say, do, no. So we could crescendo or get louder with the first do. And then we say na, we can come back and decrescendo. Okay? So that's what we're going to do. Like a wave. Alright? So just sing do now. Ready? Go. Do. Let's do that again. Ready? Go. Do. Let's sing just do. We're going to go from soft to loud. So sing do and soft. Go. Do. Alright, now let's crescendo. Ready? Go. Do. There we go. now let's sing na. Sing na loud. Ready and go. Na. Now let's start off loud and get softer with na. Ready and go. Na. So now we're going to sing do na, or rather do na. Okay, ready, go. Do na, do na. All right, very nice. Let's do that again. Ready, go. Do na, do na. Yes, very nice. Yes. So, with Nobis Pacem, let me think. Dona Nobis Pacem. So, with no, that's where it would kind of like swell a little bit, but then you go back to normal. Nobis Pacem. So, swell on no, and then go back to normal for the rest of the song. Nobis Pacem. Again. Nobis Pacem. Again. Nobis Pacem. So let's do Dona Nobis Pacem, which means, Father, grant us your peace. Ready? Go. Dona Nobis Pacem. So let's do it again. Ready? Go. Dona Very good. So for Dona, the next time. Dona Nobis Pacem. So with pa, Dona Nobis is regular, so Dona Nobis. But then Pacem, the letter P. The letter P has a similar kind of mechanics as when you cough, because there's air pressure being built up before the sound even releases. Say, now say, cool, and then do the thing where you're just saying, right? So all of those consonants plus the last one that we did, there's a slight buildup of air pressure. So with that, you want to kind of do something forzando-like, where you punch it. So, Pacem. So we're just going to punch it a little bit. Just a little bit. Like. All right, ready? Go. Pa. Pacem. Very nice. You sound lovely. Like delicate angels making, like landing. Okay, let's do that again. Let's do that again. Ready? Pa. Pacem. Again. Pacem. Slower. Pacem. And let's do Dona Nobis Pacem. And go. Dona Nobis Pacem. Let's start from the very beginning. Dona. Ready? Go. Dona Nobis Pacem. Dona Nobis Pacem. Again. Dona Nobis Pacem. Dona Nobis Pacem. Very lovely. You sound very lovely. Now with speed, sometimes with slower songs that are more gentle and fluttery, things like that. Sometimes you tend to slow down the very beginning so that you can ease your way into it. So it'll sound like wait, sorry, keep burping. Like Dona Nobis Pacem. Dona Nobis Pacem. So the tempo kind of goes in a wheel where it's like slow, fast, fast, slow. So we kind of want to, if it helps to sway sometimes. So when you sway this way, you're going faster. This way, slower. So sway with me, just a little bit. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ready, set, Dona. Dona Nobis Pacem. Dona Nobis Pacem. Again. Dona Nobis Pacem. Dona Nobis Pacem. One more time. Dona Nobis Pacem. Dona Nobis Pacem. It's very lovely. So remember how we used to sing this part very flat when we were learning it. And now it has dynamic. It's like a feather falling from the sky. That's how it sounds. Very beautiful. So that's today's lesson on dynamics.